here's Meta.ai app. So here's the app, and it's a Meta's ChatGPT app, which is kind of free to use. So you just go to Meta.ai and then you just try to message it. Unfortunately, you need to create an account right away. You can't use it without an account to message. And another thing is that it's only available in United States right now, so it's not available outside of US. And you need to have Facebook or Instagram account which is tied to US or something like that. So yep, there you have it. And then you can also generate images like that. You can start a conversations here. So yep, that's the idea. And then you can read an announcement on the Facebook page that is an intelligent assistant from Meta. It's only available in US, as I said. So here you can just try it out. It's based on Llama 3.1, our most advanced LLM model yet. So Meta is available in select languages and countries only, with more coming soon. And also you can just use it in WhatsApp. So you can try to use it in WhatsApp as well. So yep, there it is, and there you have it.